My name is Miguel Ramirez. I'm 15 with Arnold Charter High School. This is Miami. I started OST 10 years ago, and I've been here since I was 5. So I had a great time here. It's been a good program. It helped my mom a lot. So my mom, like, it was free. So my mom at work helped her out a lot, and then they showed me a lot. Like, showed me manners. They showed me how to care, how to be a caring person, a sharing person. I got taught how to pretty much write, how to be a respectful kid, how to play basketball. That's my favorite sport. They showed me a lot of sports. They showed me reading. They showed me how to do plays, how to pretty much read too. Yeah, stuff like that. And I like ECS. We have free trips. This is a big dream, but I want to go to NBA, be a basketball player. Or if that doesn't work out, I actually want to be in business. Man, we're learning about it right now, actually.